London sessions anyway. I'm buying Aussie yen right now with a very low probability, I guess. Just a small, yeah, the Nikkei is already going down, so this is probably gonna fail. Let's see how that goes. That's the first trade, so to speak.
Let me level with you, let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free, be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance, baby find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight, I don't wanna waste another night.
Morning.
I haven't been before.
Good morning, how is it going?
I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice.
I already see why I don't like the London session. Just buying Aussie yen.
Yeah, I'm short.
Short was?
Okay.
Sorry?
S&P. I'm short.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I'm short.
That's why I don't like it. I just bought Aussie yen.
Okay.
And if the index is going down, this will go down. The Dow is at the V bar, but it looks actually pretty.
No.
I mean, for a quick scalp, like, I don't know, 7 points. Actually, 11.
But also I see now currently I see Dow going more up, to be honest. So
Yeah, that's what I meant. The Dow looks like a good buy for 11 points.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, afternoon.
I just wanna hit the floor, maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill
I'm not
The
having...
swing.
Sorry?
Did you learn the law about TPs and SLs and deriv?
Law?
Yeah, they always slip you on a TP and an SL. TPs are slipped in your favor, and SLs are slipped in your disfavor.
This is not slippage. This is just MetaTrader. I know what you mean. You're always getting executed at the next tick. This is everywhere in all markets the same. But in Forex, the next tick can be the same price, and then you're not gonna get slipped. But on deriv, the next tick is always a different price.
Then why is the next tick always to your advantage on a TP? I don't think so.
Because price runs through your take profit. The take profit triggers, but it will be executed at the next tick.
Yeah, but who's
And the next tick is mostly lower because we putting our SL and TPs on critical points where momentum is playing out.
If you look at the amount that you get slipped on a TP to your advantage, I don't think so.
I used TP yesterday too, and I didn't notice slip. But there was slip, yeah, I can confirm that, but this was just a tick lower.
For me, it's usually like 12 to 15%.
That tells us you're trading too big.
No, 12 to 15% of the overall profit. If I'm targeting $10, it's going to give me $12.70. Here, I'll look at the last.
It's because the $2 is the next tick. And you just confirmed what I suspected.
$12.26.
Yeah, so $2.26 is one tick.
You think so?
Yeah, just try it. Put on a position with the same size and wait for the price to move in either direction for one tick. And see what your P&L shows.
I'm scared.
That's a good answer.
Somebody wrote me 2 days ago or something like that derivative markets are very robotic, and I just was being a troll and say that's because it's made by robots. And then they say the argument continues about but it's like algo blah blah blah.
Overnight news, Wall Street closing high yesterday. S&P 500 up 1.3%. US futures little changed overnight though. Dizzy gains in Asian equity markets. European futures pointing to a slightly higher open as well. Stocks 50 futures higher by around 3% this morning, as are German DAX futures.
And I was just saying, like, it's a market made by robots, executed
in the
by
currency
robots.
market, this cable pretty much unchanged, higher by 1% at the moment, having rallied yesterday on chatter of a Brexit deal. Dollar index is flat. US yields creeping lower overnight. Oil down as well by less than 5%.
Somehow I think you might not have helped them out a little.
To the Brexit news first. BBC reporter Nick Watt setting the cat among the pigeons yesterday, as he reported a big buzz among UK lawmakers that the UK is heading towards a Brexit deal with the EU.
Well, like, what we like on Deriv is that the markets always move, and that is exactly what you experience with TP and SL. Because the markets always move, you're always gonna get slipped. It's always one tick higher or one tick lower.
They say we shouldn't read anything more into it than that. This was amid reports that Jacob Rees-Mogg was going to confirm the Commons would sit next week. They was due to break up for Christmas this weekend.
Like in Forex,
Reports from The Guardian fueling optimism as well. They're reporting the UK's dropped the push for fishing vessel operating under the UK flag to be a majority British owned.
like in Forex, on each price there are millions of orders.
Top congressional leaders saying they're coming closer to a deal.
And that's why you're not getting slipped. If you close, you just
There were talks yesterday between Pelosi, McConnell, Schumer and McCarthy. Comments from McConnell getting the attention, who said we're making significant progress and he's optimistic we're going to be able to complete an understanding sometime soon.
like now I'm an AUDJPY and it doesn't move for like I don't know 2 seconds, 3 seconds. But if I close the position now, I will get filled at this price because somebody is going to try to do the same at the opposite direction.
Some expectation the Fed on what they're going to do with their average maturity of their quantitative easing portfolio. Expectations are for an extension similar to the Operation Twist we saw a few years back. The question though is when. Some analysts suggesting we may see a move today, others suggesting it will just be a forward guidance tweak from the Fed later on this evening. This morning we await manufacturing and service PMI prints from France, Germany, the Eurozone and the UK. These are the preliminary prints as well for December.
Yeah, this is gonna stop me out, pretty sure.
Also get Eurozone trade data, construction output and labour costs. While this afternoon we await US retail sales and Canadian CPI.
There we go. I guess Sebastian is right. Yen pair's going down. Actually, I was thinking of shorting pound yen, but this actually went up. So I would be stopped out on both.
Somebody wanted to download your view of tools. He cannot, and I can't run the web access command. Can you run it?
Can I what? Sorry.
To run the web access command.
Oh, sorry. You can?
I cannot.
That's strange. Oh wait, maybe this is bad. Sorry. I'm gonna fix that in a second.
Okay.
Nice GitHub, yeah.
You're taking my hand, leading the way, stay in the night. Look looking at you, making your moves. There is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone. I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah.
Is there any better broker than IC Markets?
I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that
Better? Well, FX Pro, but FX Pro.
I don't think there's any better broker than IC Markets.
Oh, they're a better broker. But you need to have some
Where?
serious money.
What do you talk about? Saxo or what?
Saxo is a good example. GBE in Germany. Top FX. LMAX. But as
What
a
makes
retailer, if you retail, I mean, if you're below $1 million capital on a single trading account, IC Markets is by far the best.
What makes LMAX any better?
They're more in the liquidity game, so you need to have a certain level in order to get access. Same with Top FX, they're actually a liquidity provider, they're not really a broker.
Okay, so what we're saying is if I had $10 million in my trading account and I'm outside of the retail like scope, LMAX will give me the same service or better than IC Market?
They will get probably worse service, but much better execution. But like I said, if you're below like 500, 600,000, maybe $1 million, it's somewhere in between there. There is nobody better than IC Markets.
Right.
Axie is also pretty good about that.
Yeah.
But I'm not so sure about that actually. They just appear so because they have this $10,000 limit, even for retail. Maybe they just don't want to have kiddos that lose money.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up.
Oh, my camera doesn't work.
And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah, too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around just figure.
Emerging market news, Turkey's AUDJPY says the Turkish central bank could tighten policy further if needed.
Like LMAX is like one of the bigger ones, like
monetary policy further if necessary.
In the retail space, I think the best known big one is FX Pro. But it always comes with a caveat, and this is that they are heavy market makers.
Yeah, FX Pro, they have big spreads. That's the one, for me, it's not the best.
FX Pro has huge spreads when I trust them.
Yeah, but if you trade big, you're gonna have quite good conditions. But like I said, their market making aspect is pretty large, especially when it comes to fast-moving markets.
Any current open positions?
Oh, sorry, my indicator is off. Yeah, I'm buying ASEAN. At low probability, I would not really do that.
I'm shorting S&P, but not sure if this will play out.
Yeah, so we both we are on opposite sides, and we still have the same sort of conviction. So either one is gonna make money, basically. Ah, look at the Dow. What did I say? 11 points? It's already 27. Fuck. Alright, okay, half of that will be gone by the spread anyway. But the Nikkei looks also like a pretty short.
Yeah, it's at the upper resistance for me. So, near-ish. Plus a psych level, kind of. Why have this yellow line here?
And this is why I hate the London session. Nobody knows shit. Including myself. Yeah, the Nikkei looks very short.
My window hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real.
VIX is down at 24. Looks like the Brexit party is over. Well, VIX is S&P anyway. I'm just gonna remove the permission from web access and everybody can do it.
Okay.
You need to have the kick permission to do it. I don't know what I could replace it with, so fuck it. Can you try?
Yeah, one second. Yeah, works. I tried in board comments.
Alright, I'm gonna find later a better solution for that because I don't want anybody to do it. I mean, the command that makes nothing really. It just writes a file on the web server.
No, just people were asking that they cannot download and.
The reason is why it's not real time is because you have to be an active member in order to get the stuff. Just join, hey, give me the stuff. Something like that.
Yeah.
So if you wanna let them wait, that's fine. Just some people just join to download something and then they leave.
Come on, S&P drop.
The Nikkei hasn't moved yet. Still below VWAP though. Dow tested a high, but it's pulling back now. Very itchy situation.
Kind of waiting for the cash market.
Oh shit, yeah, cash. That's gonna stop me out. I will refill my coffee.
I need a coffee too.
We're just under 10 minutes away from the top of the hour. Do expect to hear from the European Council President Charles Michel. He's due to intervene during the plenary session of the European Parliament to report on the European Council of the 10th and 11th of December.
Alex, you're live. He doesn't want to talk to us. What the fuck?
Comments from EU Michel says we're working to establish a new relationship with the United States.
Doesn't talk to anybody. Doesn't talk to everyone.
Because I'm listening to the music, so I mute myself.
We have put a link up on the board as well, so you can follow the EU Council President live.
P shorts, huh?
Yeah, SMP shorts, me. But not sure about it.
Hey at SwingFish 12, thanks, I have downloaded your VWAP and SwingFish Intra.
The VWAP Intra comes with... sorry, the SwingFish Intra comes with VWAP. We don't need to have both. Only if you want to do an offset or something like that.
Aussie yen.
Yeah, I guess you're right. This is gonna go down. Except with the pound, of course. Yeah, that would have stopped me out already. Because I wanted to short pound yen actually, and this has already made a new high. This is exactly why I hate the London session. Aussie yen goes down, pound yen goes up. And the Aussie dollar goes up too. Aussie yen still goes down.
The city lights, you're falling in love.
No, maybe not. Maybe it looks like the Aussie dollar is about to turn.
You know it is true that you were lost.
S&P 500 doesn't look that bad.
Yeah, that's my bet.
Up there in that resistance.
Indeed.
I'll join you with a few contracts. Oh shit, the spread.
Wow, this is gonna cost money. Oh, I'm gonna be so toast on the Aussie yen buy. I'm not really happy anyway.
And this is the only setup which I see currently on S&P. Even DAX was nice for a short, but not now anymore.
Yeah, and the Dow was a long. Very conflicting information. And I'm gonna get stopped out. Come on, come on, come on, stop me out already. Yeah, dollar CAD is going up. Oh, dollar CAD may have bounced off the pivot pretty nicely. Okay, the spread is gonna get me. Just move the stop a little bit. NQ is going down too. And the dollar goes up. Alright, there comes the Judah swing.
At SwingFish 12, sorry for asking, but can you give me a short crash course how to use your SwingFish Intra?
Yeah, just come into the Discord and somebody's gonna tell you how it works.
Still below by above.
It's just a VWAP indicator, it shows average price.
Good morning.
And suggests the size you can trade based on the settings you have made. And the same settings are being used to show this loss lines here.
Euro dollar.
This is not a buy-sell indicator. This is just something to help you do the stuff. Ah, euro is going down. What about a euro? Euro looks good. Let's just buy the euro.
Morning, everyone.
Oh shit, that's moving quick. Never mind. That's gonna stop me out.
I'm selling CAD yen. CAD yen looks to be a good sell for the day.
Probably. Yeah, this looks like Judah's swing here.
Alex, have you joined already on the S&P short?
Oh, Urian is dying. Okay, I'm toast.
Yeah, but it's I just picked up 2 contracts, is it?
Stopped
I'm
out.
looking at these
yeah.
DAGs.
DAX cover. So DAX now I would is shorted.
Yeah, right. That's what I'm looking at. I mean, 4-hour resistance, 15 looking. Just play the volatility.
Yeah. But I will wait a little bit. I want to see this S&P to play out a little bit. Actually, I wait for the cash market to open. Oh, in 1 minute.
This still feels bullish to me. The indices. Especially the Dow.
Yeah, Dow, yes. But S&P, I think it should retrace a little bit. Sure, they move together, but okay.
Yeah, well.
Well, if Dow doesn't do anything, S&P can go down a little bit.
Aussie yen.
Oh, fuck you. Look at that ASEAN. Straight back up.
I'm scalping the DAX to the VWAP.
Vaccine news from China.
Oh,
BioNTech
come on.
and Fosun
Seriously,
Pharma
it
confirmed
just
their
went down to
supply
get
China
my
with
stop.
the mRNA-based COVID vaccine.
The FTSE just dropped like a stone.
Yeah, who was in FTSE? Are you, Swing? You were in FTSE, sure.
No, I hate FTSE. That's on my ban list forever.
Beer bongo in FTSE.
Beer bongo, right. Where is he, by the way? Sleeping still.
Yeah, he was in here pretty early with me and drew it early.
Okay. Yesterday I had to go shopping, groceries, all this shit. Was house thing to do. Yesterday I was off, more or less. Let's see today. Yesterday I just spent money, I did not make any money.
That's the worst. If you have to go out.
Yeah. Oh, come on, I said to that.
Oh, look
But
at
still,
that. It's
the-
going straight up. Seriously. I don't want to see that anymore.
Gold is going up, kind of. Come on, SCB, die.
It's just opening volatility. Oh, look at that DAX.
Yeah.
The DAX made a new high with the volatility. Oh, that would be a pretty sell entry. Almost to the pivot, actually. 13352-ish. But it's like I said, the Dow looks bullish, so I'm not gonna do that.
Comments here from the EU Commission President von der Leyen. Says within a week the first vaccine is to be authorised.
Just wanted to speak about the euro yen. All the
It's really hard to hear you, Shark.
Are you hearing me well now?
You're clear, but your volume is almost zero. I have you at 200%, I can barely hear you.
Euro dollar
says teams are working day and night for a UK deal.
Day and night, huh?
It says she cannot tell you if there will be a UK deal.
So why they are working?
In a bar.
Says Brexit talks do have a path to an agreement. There is a path to a UK agreement now. Just repeat, EU Commission President von der Leyen says there is a path to a UK agreement now. Says Brexit talks have path to an agreement.
S&P goes higher, damn it.
Is it better now?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay. We just
Von
wanted
der
to
Leyen
talk
does say
about
fisheries
the...
and the level playing field are still outstanding. And does say the Brexit path to a deal is very narrow.
Selling Euro USD here, guys.
Yeah, probably a good idea.
Yeah, I wanted to speak about the euro yen because if you look at the high time frames, the puck is merely just upside on the upside. So the correction on the downside is a very, very big range. So probably if we are going up, we're going back up. If not, we're going just to do a big correction.
Where it feels like home. And when the feeling's lost and the roads are crossed, I could only be here. Where it feels like home.
Yeah, the S&P poking out of that structure on the 15.
Yeah, I'm looking also to M30, so there is a resistance there.
Yeah,
Well,
right
So
on.
Shark, you're looking at the block about 250 pips down, right?
Yeah, 124.69.6. That's the next puck.
Von der Leyen confirms the governance issues have largely been resolved or largely being resolved.
And as I said yesterday, the options, the open interest, there
Says
was like
fisheries
low
talks with
interest.
the UK still very difficult.
Look at DAX.
So maybe the euro will have a correction today, maybe with the FOMC. If it's
Oh,
sleeping.
fuck.
I
The yen pair's
sometimes
gonna
feel
fly.
like we can't solve fisheries, says von der Leyen.
You and me, never supposed to be. We walk the long road.
We are just under 10 minutes away from the French PMI data. Just going to hold off the preview till von der Leyen's done. She says next days will be decisive on Brexit.
Ah, this stop is too close.
'Cause I'm going alone when the love is gone. To a place I belong. Where it feels like home.
Alex, are you out from your DAX?
And when the feeling's lost and the roads are crossed, I could only
It's still going.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I'm short on that, but it still is light too.
VIX is still going down.
For the retrace.
Yeah, I started 4 hours.
Our psych level it's 500 for sure, it's R1 area and it should retrace.
Supposed to be, we walk the long road. So hear me out, got something on
I keep my S&P, so that's okay.
Oh, the Dow went up so nicely.
We're just under 6 minutes away from French PMI data. These are the preliminary prints for December as well. French manufacturing PMI seen rising to 50.1 from
Perfect entry, but I didn't take
49.6.
it.
The range 48 up to 51. Service PMI seen rising as well to 40 from 38.8. The range 35 up to 48. And the composite PMI seen rising to 42.9 from 40.6. The range 40.5 to 48.5.
Okay, soon I will short the DAX.
Note here from Danske Bank ahead of this morning's French, German and Eurozone PMIs. They say consensus forecasts are for a small dip. However, the manufacturing print would need to disappoint by quite a bit to change the market narrative. And they say markets will likely look through any weakness as temporary and fixable by rolling out vaccines early next year.
A little bit over R2.
DAX near to R1. And psych level as well. You see, S&P did not even broke yet. Yeah, maybe now it's trying.
For a lot short now. Scaling it up.
Just under 3 minutes till French PMI, looking for pullbacks in all three metrics. Manufacturing PMI seen pulling back to 50.1. Apologies, rises across all three metrics. Manufacturing PMI seen rising to 50.1 from 49.6. Services seen rising to 40 from 38.8. And the composite seen rising to 42.9 from 40.6.
The Nikkei looks still very short.
I think this was just some positive small sentiments, that's it.
Nikkei barely went over the VWAP, so yeah, that could just be volatility. Well, I'm pretty much useless in the in London session, so
Just under 1 minute till French PMI. Will lead with the manufacturing print, looking for 50 spot 1. Ten seconds. $51 spot
Dollar
1 for
CAD.
manufacturing, 49 spot 2 for services, 49 spot 6 for
Euro
the
yen.
composite. All much stronger than
Close.
expected.
Close.
Manufacturing PMI rises
Never
to
mind.
51 spot 1 from 49 spot 6 versus 50 spot 1 expected. Services jumps to 49 spot 2, having seen rising to just 40 from 38 spot 8, pulls the composite up to 49 spot 6 from 40 spot 6 prior.
But it's really overextended and overbought in my opinion.
Yeah, I'm already close to the DAX, the Euro buy. I didn't have a target, so I got, I missed on exit about 2 pips, 3 pips from 16.
Some more colour from the report here from Market. They say following the initial contraction after the reimposition of the lockdown measures in November, there was a far softer decline in French business activity during December. Although strict COVID measures remained in place, private sector firms posted only a marginal decline in activity. More significant, however, was the return to growth territory for new orders. This marked the first improvement in demand for 4 months and offers hope that clients are now beginning to look beyond the current downturn. They say the expansionary mindset was exemplified by the first increase in employment for 10 months and confidence levels reaching their highest since January.
And this euro-dollar trade is the best example
SHYT.
why you always have to commit. Because I didn't really commit. Now I have a very, very tiny profit. I mean, it's 0.1%, but on a move like that, that will be like 5 times that. If I would have traded it full size, which I didn't.
Let's see if DAX goes higher.
It feels like that. The Nasdaq gapped up pretty much.
I'm down $700.
Yeah, that's why you should have stop losses.
Yeah, the Nasdaq gapped 4 points up. That's quite a lot. I have a gap on euro-dollar too on Pepperstone, and yeah, this is actually a good example. We just talked about that. Check this out, Taxman. On a situation like this, you can see who is the better market maker. That's Pepperstone. That's a 6 pip gap in euro-dollar. And on IC markets, it's just casually moved up.
Really?
Yeah, and I had no slippage. I mean, I didn't took profit at the high. This was me because I did manually exit. This was not the broker slipping me. Wait,
Why is that?
I'm pretty sure I just said that.
Hey, good afternoon. Aussie yen still enterable for a buy.
It is
Pepperstone
both
is
3-minute
crap,
charts.
broker.
Actually, I have a better exit on Pepperstone, I just noticed, but this is just because of lag. Not because they give you a better fill. But I noticed it, if you have different market makers with different kind of, I don't know how to say that. Well, just say different. That doesn't mean they are bad brokers, they're just different. And that can have advantages, because like many
We're 10
times
minutes away now
I
from
see
the
prices
German
start to
PMI
move on
print, again,
Pepperstone,
the
but they
preliminary
don't
read
on
for
IC
December.
markets.
German manufacturing PMI seen pulling back slightly, 56.4 from 57.8, the range 55 up to 58. Service PMI seen pulling back as well, 44 from a prior 46, the range 40 to 47, and the composite PMI seen at 50.4 down from 51.7 prior, the range 47.6 up to 51.7.
Or you can see the spread is widening up on one broker and the other one just starting on the other broker, the price starts to move.
DAX 13.600 today. XD.
No.
XD.
I don't think so.
And the yen pairs are still going up, Nasdaq is going up.
Cable currently testing 135 to the upside following those comments from von der Leyen.
Yeah, and the yen pair is going down. This makes no sense whatsoever.
Dollar CAD.
Looks like we're going up for the rest of this session maybe.
Looks like we're gonna go down in a minute. I'm feeling like buying dollar CAD.
I was casual short on DAX from 540.
It's like gold. Thinking about what you just said.
Maybe. If it does, it will have to be a high momentum move.
We just had the high momentum move.
Now correction a bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy into the correction on dollar CAD. Very tight stop.
To the downside, obviously.
It's probably gonna get... Yeah, this is gonna get me. The actual level is far lower. Just a volatility play.
The Spanish Prime Minister Sanchez says Spain is seeing the start of the end of the pandemic.
What do? They see the end of the pandemic? Okay then.
Okay.
So they're gonna switch it off tomorrow or what?
Positive thinking.
I'm not really happy on dollar CAD. This is not gonna make any money. Well, it's not gonna lose any either.
I'm thinking louder than my brain can take. Have to say something, but words fade away. I want a picture of all of my mistakes, posted on the wall. Right.
Brexit update here from Tony Connolly at RTE. This does look like a rework of the von der Leyen comments. Yeah, sorry, just a rehash of the VDL comments here from Tony Connolly at RTE. Nothing new from the reporter.
Oh shit, in 5 minutes I have a small meeting.
Aussie yen.
At SwingFish 12 you are always trading at those hours? Cause on your website it says mostly Asia session. Is there a regular streaming time?
Yeah, 8 AM Indochina time. Or 9 AM Singapore time.
If I could speak up and maybe you would hear, or maybe the tension could disappear. I'll give it a shot.
Okay, thanks.
At least for a moment you would be near. If I could get my feelings straight, my reflection wouldn't be so blurry. If I could see the whole dim landscape, then I'd know what to say to you. I'm moving in 'cause I need connection with you. Give you a sign, my communication's wordless. I'm moving in 'cause I need connection with you. Give you a sign, my communication's wordless.
3 minutes till German manufacturing PMI, expecting a pullback to 56.4 from 57.8. Service PMI seen dropping to 44 from 46, and the composite seen at 50.4 down from 51.7.
Okay, some bad news would have.
Give you a sign, my communication's
Good, let's trash the euro. Because I'm buying dollar CAD, that will help me. Just scalping actually, not really buying it. Yeah, my stop is too close. The volatility gonna stop me out. And this is actually a short, by the way. Yeah, I'm not gonna stop that out, I'm gonna hedge that. Because this is actually much more of a short.
I'll be right back.
One minute till German PMI data. Will lead with the manufacturing print, looking for 56.4. 10 seconds. 58.6 for manufacturing, 47.7 for services, 52.5 for the composite. German manufacturing PMI beats 58.6 versus 56.4, up from 57.8. Service PMI rises as well, 47.7 from 46, have been expected to drop to 44. And the composite rises to 52.5 from 51.7, again have been seen dropping down to 50.4. Reading the full report here from Market. They say December's flash PMI reassuringly showed the German economy still on a relatively stable platform, at least up until the middle of the month. They point out the flash data is collected between the 4th and the 15th of December. They do say though the impending harder lockdown does threaten to put pay to some of the resilience they've seen so far, with more sectors set to be impacted by the new tougher virus containment measures. Another story that's quickly developing is the rapid emergence of inflationary pressures in the manufacturing sector. Nevertheless, German manufacturers and their service sector counterparts are positive about the outlook for next year amid the imminent rollout of the COVID vaccines.
Looking for a 13,550 break on DAX.
More Brexit commentary here from Lawrence Norman, just summarising those points from von der Leyen, pointing out that we still need some work on future-proofing and fisheries. He says
What's
UK sources don't
USDCAD?
disagree with what von der Leyen has characterised.
Just reversed it. Just getting out with a clean whatever, something. The previous low, 27011, something like that. I'm probably gonna exit earlier. Yeah, like this yellow trend line here, because yeah, some reaction to it. There is this served as resistance, and it served as resistance here a few times, so this is pretty solid. This is maybe too far. That would require the euro to go up quite a lot. Or maybe it just stops at 27108.
I just blew my account, holy shit.
That's what stop losses are for. And size, if you know a news coming up, don't do crazy shit, just trade smaller.
Why do you have to fucking talk about it? You think you're the only one that blew an account?
Well, it must be some kind of a record.
Sorry, Swing.
Let's make this a challenge. We can do that faster.
I think I blew one in like 10 or 15 minutes once.
Well, to make the challenge properly, they have to well capitalize, not that you just blew it on margin. Like putting $10 on it and go all in, then you're out in like 9 seconds.
I believe the one that I blew that was blown in 20 minutes had enough capital in it. Let's just put it this way. I've done a lot of experimentation.
Sorry Tux that I mentioned it. I'm really upset now.
I'm sorry you're upset. You know, you gotta just keep blowing them until it doesn't upset you anymore. One guy said he blew his accounts until he got so upset that he finally decided he was gonna stop doing it. I don't fucking believe that for 1 second.
Yeah, me neither. Yeah, just accept it, the money is gone. Start over. Don't try to get your money back, that's the most important part.
If you know...
Yeah, it's either you upset and quit or cop it on the chin and go again.
Well, the best thing is if you can learn from the experience.
Yeah, but if you go again, don't try to get your previous losses back. Because this is just gonna end up in another margin call.
You can find something to document, you know,
News,
start
UK
journaling.
confirms the rail fare rise
documenting
is to be delayed.
Oh, looks like the target is much closer. Ah, shit.
So I just reached a point where this Excel worksheet is taking too long to save. It's got a bunch of workbooks in it, and I just saved it under a new name, deleted all the workbooks, and lo and behold, it's saving quickly now. I deleted all the other sheets. I just have one sheet now. I never knew that Excel was... I don't know what it's doing. Microsoft ran over.
Laying in your bed,
Okay, I should take profit here.
in my head, wish that I could let you go.
But I'm stubborn, so I won't.
Remember all we had. How could we get this bad? Where did we lose our glow? You live, you learn. When your heart is set to burn, fading away until the light will return. Someone bring me back to the time when our hearts unite. Bring me back to the time when our hearts unite. Bring me back to the time when our hearts unite.
I learned something really cool about B75 today.
Okay then. Somebody is having fun.
Remember all we had. How could we get this bad? Where did we lose our glow? You live,
What was that?
Well, one was the one that I showed you, and another one is actually akin to that. Well, I can spell it out. Okay.
Germany's DIW says they're forecasting a contraction for the German economy in Q1. Says they do see the risk of German bankruptcies next year as well. That's the German DIW President Michael Fratscher.
So are you happy now? Things just got so crazy from a simple maybe. It was a long way down. I just feel so heavy without you. Everything we were was just so pretty, pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on, flashing up like disco lights on and on. The dance floor where I met you, I dance all alone. Nothing left to prove, yeah, I'm dancing till my feet can feel the ground. Wishing I still dance with I feel so lonely now, walking through the cold streets where you used to hold me. You know it's been a while, ever since I saw you. Oh baby, everything we were was just so pretty, pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on, flashing up like disco lights on and on. The dance floor where I met you, I dance all alone. Nothing left to prove, yeah, I'm dancing till my feet can feel the ground. Wishing I
I
still
see.
More comments being
That's it.
quoted here. Our UK source of von der Leyen says we've made some progress, but we're still very far apart in key areas. That's a UK source, says of von der Leyen's Wednesday address. Just repeat, we made some progress, but we are still very far apart in key areas. That's a UK source speaking of von der Leyen's Wednesday address on Brexit progress. Source quoted there by Reuters.
See it, Alex?
Time to short the DAX, huh? But there is Eurozone PMI coming up too in 15 minutes.
Thinking about to buy EUR/USD for the news in 15 minutes. What do you think about that? Insanity.
Yeah, about something like that.
Let's see, eh?
Hey, you watching it?
Yeah, I'm watching it. I pulled up the rate.
Protect it after it hits the first one. I mean, protect up there. But looks like it's gonna go. You like these real-time explanations, huh? It's the way to go, eh, Alex?
Real-time market commentary. Like in a football game.
Pretty much.
Better than some of the other shit you see out there.
To answer the question, no, I think that's a bad idea because you're gonna need to have like 45, 60 pip stop loss on euro dollar. Not exactly good risk reward unless this is a swing trade, but then the question is why it didn't end up before the news.
In one way, I'm yours. In one way, we're strangers. But I know for sure we got something in common that I know you won't. But we're so different. I speak Swedish, you don't. I sit right down and write a letter. But Frankie said it better. I almost feel it when you smile.
I haven't published my blog from yesterday.
I'm shy. Here's my cup, fill it right up. I'll never stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop.
Ah, I haven't made the graphics yet.
Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. This is how we do this. In one way, I'm yours. In one way, we're strangers.
I should have waited for the pullback to enter, but whatever.
We got something in
It'll
common
punish me a little.
that I know you won't. But we're so different. I speak Swedish, you don't.
If it pulls back to where I think it might, I'll just place an entry there.
Said it better.
I almost feel it when you smile.
I'll take my time. I want you, but I'm shy. Here's my cup, fill it right up. I'll never stop.
Might not actually pull back here though.
Stop, stop, stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop.
Yeah, it might not.
I'll never stop, stop, stop.
What are you talking about?
The rib.
Oh, B75 and the setup that I showed Alex.
Ah, you're trading what I should trade, huh?
Just having a little fun.
Because all I do here on Forex is flipping freaking coins.
we're just under 10 minutes away from the top of the hour and the release of the Pan-Eurozone PMI prints for December. Usefulness of these forecasts may be somewhat limited given the blowout numbers we saw in France and Germany, but we'll run through them anyway. Manufacturing PMI seen pulling back to 53 from 53.8, the range 52 to 54.8. Service PMI seen rising to 41.9 from 41.7, the range 39 to 47, and composite PMI seen rising to 45.8 in the Eurozone from 45.3, the range 43 to 51. Italian data due as well, industrial orders month on month, a prior of -6.4 and year on year a prior 3.2. Also get industrial sales data from Italy. May also hear from the ECB's Casimir, though maybe speaking in his capacity as the Slovakian central bank governor, holding a news conference to present the bank's quarterly macroeconomic forecast. Riksbank Deputy Governor Jansen due to hold a speech at the central bank on monetary policy in a period of transition. Also expecting the Swedish government to release their labour market outlook, and the Norwegian Prime Minister gives his end of year press conference as well.
We can't really hear you.
Sorry about that. Hold up. What do you think about longs for GJ pound yen?
Oh, that actually looks nice. It's a bit late now, but this looks actually pretty good. I didn't notice that. Damn, that was a nice entry.
Thank you.
Missed that. 12 pips late. Yeah, now you're gonna have like, I don't know, 35 pips stop loss. Oh, that's, never mind.
The perfect entry was the daily pivot.
The Nikkei is dying for some reason. Yeah, that's gonna push the yen pairs back down. So I probably should exit the dollar CAD short here.
Do you already know which time you start streaming tomorrow?
8 a.m. ICT time or 9 a.m. Singapore time. Or 8 p.m. Eastern time. Yeah, I really should exit this dollar CAD short. If the euro pulls back, I'm gonna be toast.
So 2 a.m. European time.
No.
Just under 3 minutes till Eurozone PMI. Manufacturing PMI seen at 53, service PMI seen at 41.9, and the composite seen at 45.8.
Just look on YouTube, there will be a planned event. Once I stop streaming, I will put on a new one.
Just to make you aware,
Which
this
shows the
UK
timing,
source
your
being
time-
pushed
time
around
zone.
now by UK political reporters. Adam Parsons from Sky News, quoting a UK source, says we've made some progress, but we're still very far apart in key areas.
Okay, great to know, thanks buddy.
Back to the data. Italian industrial orders and sales due as well. Orders saw a prior month of -6.4 and 3.2% on the year. Also looking at the comments from the ECB's Casimir.
Yeah, not exiting dollar CAD was probably a mistake.
One minute.
Alright, find a hole.
Ten seconds. $55.5 for manufacturing, 47.3 for services, 49.8 for the composite. As expected, Eurozone PMI does surprise to the upside following those French and German prints. Comments from the German IFO Institute as well. They're expecting the economy to shrink by 5.1% this year. That's not as big as the 5.2% contraction previously forecast. They've cut 2021 GDP growth to 4.2 from 5.1. They've raised their 2022 forecast over Germany, 2.5 from 1.7. It's the German IFO. Also comments from the German Chemical Industry Association. expecting production to increase by 1.5% next year.
I saw that talks.
Some comments from the Slovakian central bank. No comments from the governor yet related to ECB monetary policy. And in Sweden, the central bank's deputy governor Jansson says the challenges facing monetary policy will remain even after the pandemic is over.
Aussie yen.
All of them hit TP, right?
Down we go, huh? Party's over.
That was one nice breakout.
Italian industrial sales rise 2.2% month on month, but minus 1.7 year on year.
Oh, you kept scalping it on the way up. Nice.
Yeah. I was short 10. I was short like 10 units, and I grabbed a few more.
And Italian industrial orders 3% month on month, 1.2% year on year.
Now I'm basically done for the day. Problem is there's a lot more setups to come.
The Swedish Labour Market Office says they see unemployment 8.5% this year, rising to 9.1% in 2021, pulling back to 8.6% though in 2022.
I'm waiting for Collected so he can give me my VWAP bands back.
You messaged him?
Aussie yen.
No, he always comes online. I'll just ask him when I see him.
You need to send him a message with your broker account number.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Otherwise, he has no way to do it.
More from the Riksbank Deputy Governor. Jansson sees some benefits in the possibility of raising the inflation target.
Aussie yen.
Oh shit, look at DAX.
DAX XD.
Yeah, I reversed that and got out.
Yeah, but you see the Nikkei, it went straight back down.
Yeah,
Very strange.
I added short position scaling in on DAX, so it's okay. But I'm not heavy.
I'm still short.
I cannot explain.
I'm gonna be so toast in a minute.
I cannot explain.
Raw S&P 500.
I still have my short also on S&P.
Yeah, same.
I'm gonna take the loss on USDCAD early. I'm moving the stop down. Should have just taken profit. I'm such an idiot.
Yeah, I think it's overextended, Alex, DAX and S&P as well.
Yeah, I mean, when the news came out, I reversed it because I wasn't. Yeah, S&P. I'm still in it too. I just shorted again. But I'm starting to get heavier now.
Oh no, me not. So if DAX goes a little bit more up, I will still start to add more shorts, so to reduce the average price. So currently on DAX 540, and on S&P, one second, on S&P 3698 average prices.
Moment of truth for dollar CAD. Maybe the stop loss is a bit too close.
You see V75 still, Tux?
Nah, I'm on break.
Nice.
No, I changed my mind. I'm not gonna give it room. If it goes high, I'm gonna stop it out.
I watch it, I'll have to trade again.
Time to reload the coffee.
Yeah, same.
I did already twice.
Yeah, I'm almost out of coffee. Have to go to the shop, damn it. Back in a second.
Yeah, it seems so that DAX doesn't care about this, let's say, lockdown situation in Germany, so it just shoots up. But, seems so that it's priced in. Let's see from here if we'll go down.
According to an EU official, fishery is the main problem in the trade
Aussie
talks
yen.
now. The EU rejects the UK offer of phased access to UK waters over 3 years. That's an EU official there cited by Reuters. It says fisheries remains the main problem in the EU-UK trade talks now. The EU rejects the UK offer of phased access to UK waters over 3 years.
Alex, on H1 on DAX, I see a divergence on hourly.
Dollar CAD.
Do you see it?
On the DAX?
Yeah. On H1.
On H1.
We're hearing EU envoys as well have endorsed the transport measures in the event of a no-deal Brexit.
So bearish divergence.
I still don't see it.
Morning,
I
guys.
got morning collecting.
Hey, Collected.
Are you using MACD, MACD? So it's different to RSI, I guess.
It's different to our Yeah, I do use MACD, but it's just to spot visually some sort of divergence, but I don't really care about it much.
Yeah, oscillators are going to be thrown off by that move anyway.
Yeah. But near to R2 today, DAX, and then correction, I hope.
I just looked at it, Alex. See how fast it hit 100 units? Man.
Yeah, that's pretty.
I only need 30-40 units for my trade. That's a large trade for me. I really only need like 10 or 20. It's not gonna stop either. Look at that. It'll do that. It'll pull back the next 15-minute candle, most likely.
What are you trading, Talks?
Just watching B75.
Oh, okay.
I showed Alex this little thing I discovered.
More Brexit commentary, this time from the BBC's the Wall Street Journal's Lawrence Norman.
Aussie yen.
He says he's hearing from the EU side they are less bullish about the enforcement, especially on state aid.
DAX is still going.
That does leave us 10 minutes away from UK PMI, again the preliminary reads for December. Manufacturing PMI seen edging up to 55.9 from 55.6, the range 53 to 58. Service PMI seen rising as well, back into expansion territory, 50.5 from 47.6, the range 48.7 to 52.2. And the composite PMI seen rising to 51.3 from 49, the range 49.9 up to 53. Also get the UK house price index year on year for October, prior read of 4.7%.
Dollar CAD.
DAX hitting 13,600 wasn't that far away, winky face.
Yeah, but a correction is expected now.
A tweet from Sebastian Fischer, the European Council presidency spokesman. It says the EU continues to work for a fair Brexit trade deal. At the same time though, we do need to be prepared for all outcomes, and that includes no deal.
AUDJPY, thinking about entering a short on DAX now. What's your opinion on that?
Yeah, I also entered. I'm scaled in, but careful with risk management. It might still go more up. So my average price currently it's at 550, 5548, sorry. 548. I see it overextended, hence. But it's scalping, so.
$CAD. $CAD.
We're just under 3 minutes away from UK PMI data for December. Manufacturing PMI seen at 55.9, service PMI seen at 50.5, and composite PMI seen at 51.3. UK house price index also due year on year for October, prior read of 4.7%. 1 minute. We'll lead with the manufacturing PMI print from the UK, looking for 55.9.
Stops off.
Ten seconds.
Stops off.
57.3 for manufacturing, 49.9 for services, 50.7 for the composite. So manufacturing PMI comes in higher than expected, 57.3 versus 55.9. Services comes in soft though, 49.9 versus 50.5 expected. Sees the composite in at 50.7 versus 51.3 expected. And the UK house price index 5.4% year on year in October.
Dollar CAD.
You got comments by Fitch on World Trade, say it now looks likely to decline by less in annual terms than in 2009, and expects global goods and services trade to shrink by 9.6% this year, before rising by around 8% next.
Okay, 600 hit. So let's see what it will do now.
Comments from ECB's Muller says government debt dynamics can't be a monetary policy consideration. More commentary on the US fiscal stimulus negotiations. It's just his opinion, but Jake Sherman, who's the Politico Playbook reporter, says he's pretty confident that there will be a stimulus deal reached in the next 24 hours. More stimulus commentary from Fox News reporter Chad Pergram. Says the top bipartisan and bicameral congressional leaders did meet deep into the night last night on coronavirus aid and government funding. He says no deal yet, but the sides are determined to get there, and they do say that they're closer. We're 10 minutes away from the top of the hour and the release of Eurozone data. We'll lead with the trade numbers for October, the seasonally adjusted trade balance saw a price surplus of 24 billion, non-seasonally adjusted saw a price surplus of 24.8 billion. Moving on to Eurozone construction output for October, month on month a prior of minus 2.9%, year on year a prior of minus 2.5%, and Eurozone labour costs year on year for Q3, prior read of 4.2%. ECB allotting 514 million in their dollar lending operation, allotting another $3.1 billion in a separate dollar lending op.
You there, Seb?
Yeah, I'm here.
S&P 500 fell asleep.
Yeah, it's not moving at all.
And the rest,
DAX.
US 30, everything.
DAX started a little bit to drop.
More comments from the Riksbank Deputy Governor says we may be nearing the ceiling for what we can buy in the QE programs in terms of effectiveness.
I mean, it's still kind of early though.
Well,
we're gonna be holding this for 3 more hours.
Oh, I think so, because I'm not heavy at all, so.
Yeah, same, but still.
Does leave us inside 3 minutes away from Eurozone data. The seasonally adjusted trade balance for October, prior surplus of 24 billion, non-seasonally adjusted a prior of 24.8 billion. Construction output for October as well, month on month minus 2.9% prior, and year on year prior of minus 2.5%. And finally, labour costs from the block as well, year on year for Q3, prior read of 4.2%.
Yeah, let's see the news in about 2 minutes. 3 minutes. What it will do.
1 minute.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Gold hit my fucking target. Finally.
Looks like the euro keeps going up. Cable too. But the DAX seem to kinda rolling over, sort of, ish.
Yeah. Little bit of consolidation.
Man, now I don't know what I think about my gold chart. Next stop is what? $18.90.
1 minute.
Which will help my DAX short.
Yeah, I don't know if it's going there. I mean, you know, it's got to pull back and do the whole thing first, right? Well, it doesn't have to.
No, it doesn't. It can go straight.
Ten seconds.
Now let's see volatility.
A surplus of 25.9 billion in the Eurozone, non-seasonally adjusted a surplus of 30 billion. Construction output rises 0.5% on the month, but falls 1.4% on the year, and labour costs rise 1.6% year on year in Q3. There were revisions to the trade balance surplus from last month, revised down to 23.7 from 24. Construction output revised up for the month, minus 2.7 from minus 2.9, and for the year as well, minus 2.3% from minus 2.5.
Conflicting information.
Aussie yen.
Nothing happened.
So is gold going to make a nice channel first, or is it just going to go straight up? I mean, that's my question to the market. Sorry, Swing, every time I talk about gold. Maybe I'll go back to pound yen.
I'm gonna put a gold chart on my monitor so I can.
He doesn't like gold. I don't blame him because it's really, yeah.
It's just like Bitcoin, it just moves around. Yeah, it's like pretty much trading the EU session and the US session 24/5.
Yeah.
That's a good way to put it.
Just give a dog a big bone, then you see how gold moves.
Simply doesn't do anything. No, neither dogs.
The cat is fucking around since an hour too. Euro-yen looks so nice. Completely rolling over. Well, the DAX should do the same in a minute. ASEAN is below already.
This is what I'm saying.
AUDJPY.
Aussie yen.
Maybe not.
Dogs is trying.
The euro is still too strong. It's gonna take some time. Hey, break even on dollar CAD. Just close it all here and call it a useless day. Trade some synthetics instead. Oh, look at Bitcoin, it's just flying. Like an hour ago I think, oh, Bitcoin looks like making a nice VWAP reversal. Just move casually $250.
Aussie yen.
Holy shit, is that slow? What's going on?
Well, I think it's waiting for New York. No more news, nothing.
Yeah, normally it's normal that nothing is moving after a substantial move. But this was not really substantial. This was just some move. Very strange. I really want to short the DAX now.
I'm shorting.
Bounce off right off the 13,600.
I think the market is determined that because the moves are meaningless, that it could just not move instead of move, and it would be the same.
I'm sorry, I need another coffee to get the deeper meaning of that.
I'll get on too.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take profit at the nearest resistance. This is like taking for fucking ever. And yeah, like you said, Seb, it's probably just waiting for something.
Not okay. I don't want to rush into it, so...
What do you mean you don't want to rush? What about instant Lamborghini?
Of course, so the plane jet immediately.
I don't have all day, I need to go to the dealership too.
He already has one, Swing. Seb has 2 Lambos, he doesn't have to worry about that.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, sure.
So take your hedges off so that the market can continue move.
Right.
1 second to make also a new Instagram profile with my 200,000 profit in one move.
Move the market with your CFD.
Yeah. Yeah, that was funny with that guy, that he can move the market with his CFDs. That's okay.
See, he's gone right now. See, Casey? He's gone. Just wait. Friday afternoon. Right on time.
I know.
He's gonna be like, what's up, guys?
He moved the market in the wrong direction, huh? Hold on a second, I have to sneak into my father's bedroom and take the credit card out. Like, I mean...
That would have been case, you know?
Wondering what you got for me. Egyptian currents out to be my lady only. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian currents out to be my lady only.
Yesterday my daughter booted herself.
Gives me butterflies. I asked you for the time. You got the damn right. And everything you do gives me butterflies.
Come on, Dollar Cat, seriously. This are
For me, it's up to be.
Come on, get up there so I can take profit and trade something serious like synthetics.
Aussie yen.
Serious like synth.
Wanna move some other markets with CFDs.
If you're live streaming, will be on YouTube, so people will, oh shit, we can really move the market with CFDs. The professional trader.
You just need $2 or $3 trillion, so you can move the Mexican peso for 0.2 pips. Assuming the broker does straight through and not just bucket job you. But for all the Instagram traders out there, you cannot make a $2 trillion bank transfer. Don't even try it.
But give us the user and password and we will try it for you.
Doesn't work. 500 million euro or 450 million US dollar is the maximum in interbank.
Well, with 2 trillion you basically buy the bank. Come on, Dax, it's like watching paint to dry.
I think I'll just settle for the 500.
Aussie.
Oh, come on, get up there, seriously. I'm gonna die of old age here. I'm just gonna take profit before I get angry. Sorry, already angry. The moment I said I'm gonna take profit, it dips down. The market's like, oh hell no. Need another coffee. And a smoke. Fuck it, I'm out.
Close all. Aussie yen.
Probably gonna go to my actual target, but yeah. It's what? Leaving 6 pips off the table.
How is it going? You're here?
Sorry?
Are you with us? Two collected. Question is how is going?
Oh, sorry, I didn't hear. You're a bit muffled at the start. Yeah, all good, mate. Good. Just something. So a bit quiet. Sorry, man.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, hey, collected. Long time no hear.
Hi, Tux. You good? Things okay?
Working all out.
good to hear.
Twist and shout.
You don't wanna be alone. Barely even by yourself, but you'll miss me when
Wow, the DAX went literally nowhere in about an hour. Huh? 30 minutes.
Yeah.
yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Say
Watching paint dry.
I'm yours if you let go.
Grass grow.
If you let go.
Seeing the writing on the wall.
Even my cat was bored and he left.
Mine just came when I took profit. I think that sounds like a secret message. Like, now you have money. Go get me some food.
Go ahead and tell your friends.
Unless I murder you in your sleep.
You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting
No, she's a very nice one. Old girl, huh?
ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Say
13 years on my table already.
me. I'm yours.
Aussie yen.
Nice.
If you let go. If you let go. If you let go.
Come on, make a move. But until New York pre-market, it will not. It will just hover, I think.
Where's your stop on the DAX?
610.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that will what I will do too.
It's 09 actually, but
Yeah, 0 is a bit.
okay. It's just I put it there manually, so. But now I moved it to 610, exactly 610. Yeah, I might move it a bit higher and then scale in, even if goes. So.
I mean, I don't see anything stopping the DAX from going passing 610.
Yeah. Wait.
Only that the volatility is dying down, pushed down. But like, wait, what would be your? Where would you get out?
Did you hold your DAX positions from yesterday's swing?
No, I'm a day trader.
I will get out at 45. Alex.
But I made some heavy scalping while on mobile in bed. Because I added a new account to my mirror and I said, oh, let's just initialize it with something. And I bought like, I don't know, 150 contracts on the NASDAQ. Made like $900 in a minute.
Cool.
And I didn't even notice that. I just put it on mobile and press a few times the buy button and I realized that I have like, I don't know, 40 contracts on quick buy.
That sounds like fun.
And then beams. Yeah, so Alex 45 or something 40, 45 that I would close if it races there. Should be enough.
I mean, it should go down. It should.
I also see it overextended, and this was just some kind of volatility. But already
Most of the volume-
COVID. Yeah, the volume exactly.
Volume is still
But
down, so
the The COVID situation, I think in Germany it's kind of priced in already, but you know.
Oh, S&P 500, what are you doing?
Yeah, I see it also. Now it's
Dollar CAD is bouncing. And Nasdaq is going up. This doesn't look so well anymore.
Mm.
Oh yeah, about my mobile fuck up yesterday. My live account is actually 0.7 in profit yesterday, but I have only 0.17 on record. I'm not gonna change that. Dumb trading doesn't count.
Yeah, I agree.
DAX back to R2. Doesn't look that good, but let's see.
That's why I need a good timeout after every good trade.
After a good trade, I don't really mind just hitting it again. But after a dumb trade, better time it out.
My worst trades are after a good trade.
Me personally not. I'm also like I'm also after like a bad trade and dumb trade, then stop.
Yeah, same.
Worst thing
If
for
I'm on a
me
roll,
is
like keep hitting it, just keep hitting it, because why will you stop? It's like somebody
Because
gives you a
if I
shuffle
don't
to get the money into your house, and then you're just stopping after a while. Just keep shuffling.
If I don't time out after a good trade and take the pause, then I inevitably do something really bad.
Okay, I can understand that. Yeah.
It's me.
No, it's not.
Me
you.
I'm talking about.
A lot of people.
Oh, it is me. It's definitely me.
Yeah, sure, it's you, but it's not only you. This is very normal. Like you're feeling like on top of the world, and then okay, this is like easy money today, and then you're doing bad shit.
Yeah. But yeah, so I've actually like, first I wrote it in my trading plan, but and didn't follow it for a while, and that really messed me up.
Gonna reload my coffee back in a second.
I've done it successfully 4 or 5 times now. If I just pause and do something else for like 20-30 minutes and then come back, I'm good to go.
Yeah, I usually also myself after a positive setup, yeah, so I do a little bit something else, you know? So read something or having a smoke, looking on outside, or playing with the cat, or I will not jump immediately into another trade. Yeah.
But if you take profit at support, so and you're gonna buy it, that's gonna happen immediately.
Oh yeah, you're right, but but for me usually the setups are multiple trades, of course, and then it's just chilling a little bit or talking to my wife or whatnot. So, and this is something which I do actually. I move away from the last setup. So for example, now if I finish with DAX, this entire setup, I will even if I would do a new setup immediately arrives, but I will just move it away and maybe later. So I don't know.
Okay, if you say a real setup, like, okay, do we have this, like, don't know, is 27 euro range on the DAX, and you're just gonna trade that, and then it's breaking out, then yeah, then I will do the same. Then okay, that's it, we're done here.
Yeah, something like that. Yesterday I was like in the town nearly all day and shopping and all that stuff, and was checking from my phone, and at one point my wife was like, hey dude, can't you stop a little bit, because people will think that you are actually cheating on me or whatnot, because you are always on your freaking phone.
Yeah, the same thing happened to me. But
Yeah,
more
she was-
aggressive. I was on a voice call with the Raxo, right? And she, I don't know, she was a little bit, I don't know, mad, I guess.
Damn.
Imagine we're gonna have a female trader in voice chat one day.
Yeah.
That's gonna be so many divorces.
I'm a female
Yeah.
trader.
Yeah,
Guys.
no, it was during the weekend, right? She was like, oh, you can't just leave that even during, I was like, oh, I gotta go.
Get a divorce, man. You need a wife that supports you.
Oh, she did. Half of my first fun trading money came from her savings.
No way. Sick. Does she have a sister?
Actually, she does. Yeah.
Actually, I'm very anti-social.
I'll send her over there to what's it called? Where are you from, Druid? Sweden.
Yeah.
You can yeah. Send me a check.
Are you pimping out to see your wife?
You're fucking.
No. He's selling a referral.
Yeah, it's a pretty good referral.
It's called now referrals.
Plus,
He's
you're
still
a Forex
whoring.
trader. You're a Forex trader. Just tell her that.
Hey, if the market's not moving, you gotta
That's
find
okay.
something else to do.
I'm a Forex millionaire.
I mean, that's how you get all your girls, right, Druid? You just tell them you're a Forex trader.
Yeah. I have a micro penis. That's the only way I can get chicks with money.
You tell it to your forex traders, and they are jumping directly, right?
Yeah, for sure.
You only
I showed them the trend lines. They're like, oh, sleep with me.
date billionaires. Daughter's a billionaire.
Man, the dollar
He's like,
keeps
yeah,
sucking.
baby. Let me see the endowment. Yeah, baby. Let me see your endowment.
Let me show you my doji stick.
And she will say it's a small week.
It's a small wick.
Is that from
I
a tick
feel
chart or
slight-
from an hourly chart? That's
Yeah,
gonna
when
be
you
the
work,
question
it's
then.
like- I don't feel any resistance of that.
How long does it take to make that doji?
When you start explaining the daily, she will get bored and okay, goodbye, do read. She wants to see the 9 tick chart immediately.
Yeah. If you like the 3-minute chart, guys.
My laundry machine is more thrilling in the past hour than the market.
The German cabinet says they've okayed the draft law on boosting
I agree.
financial oversight.
I agree. Nothing to do.
Did anybody make money on the euro dollar? That was a good trade.
You don't wanna see my euro dollar chart.
Say what?
You don't wanna see my euro dollar chart.
The deal map?
Looks depressing. Let me just make a screenshot.
I don't want some depression. I just woke up.
Made 50 cents on the DAX this morning.
Well done. Driller, this hour so
How much
late.
was your YouTube? Oh, that's a depressing chart.
See?
And the worst thing is
That's suicidal.
And the worst thing is, it gave you enough time to think that you're a genius because you exited there, and then like, fuck off. Nope, you're not. Ow. You made money.
Good exit though. Just
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, well, somebody died.
Somebody died.
There's a lot of people today on the trader stuff. But still the same familiar voices all the time.
We almost maxed out the other time. It was like 33.
Oh shit, yeah, 35 is max. That's crazy. Even though we got so many boosters, that's...
35 is the maximum in voice chat?
I think Swing. I think he can control. Yeah, I think Swing can control it. I think.
Well, definitely. I was in NBA live voice. There were like 100 people, I think, but you couldn't hear shit. Everybody's.
Well, that's, I don't know. It's just noise.
Yeah. Oh shit, there's a lot of news today. That's nice.
Yeah, Fed it's later. Come on, Dax, past the 560.
Lol, I had the same.
Fuck you, dollar cat.
Alright.
It just overshot my target.
Okay.
Ah, whatever. Party's over. My mini cat just jumped on the table and for some reason she's wet.
For some reason she's wet. for some reason she's been in liquid water.
Oh, fuck you, Dollar Cat. This is still going. But I knew this is gonna go up, and my final target would have been weekly VWAP, which is overshot already. Ah, whatever. Made money. Who cares?
Yeah.
What's that screenshot from Trademarks Fast? I don't really understand that.
What? Oh.
Some special TA right there. Holy Grail. It's not meant for us peasants.
Ah, price change rate dynamic. It's not a P&L.
Sort of volume indicator, maybe? Come on, DAX. Again goes back up.
Are you short to the DAX?
Yeah, I'm shorting, but I'm not heavy, so you just
What's your entry price?
multiple. I have on average price currently at sorry, 56.
Ah, that's good. I thought you got fucked by the big candle.
No. Yeah, I was already shorting, but I entered a scaled in basically. So the average price is 25 currently. It will retrace, yeah, so I'm okay.
You think? Because it's like it's broken out pretty good.
R2 and 600-ish kind of cycle level. So actually just a retrace, so I don't even want like 5 to 5.
Might be 610, 637 is resistance.
I took already some partial profits, re-entered, so I'm scaling in, scaling out. Basically, I do apply now kind of scale-up strategy. So partial profits, re-enter, and so on, so on. Even hedging. So.
Oh yeah, I have no doubt. I've seen you killing it on DAX.
It just takes no, it just takes time. Let's see. But I'm also short on S&P and that doesn't go well. Okay, I don't care about it. Can leave it forever.
At SwingFish 12, don't look at the USDCAD.
consolidation. Thoraxil woke up.
Thoraxil woke up.
What Wobbler and I talked about God and the world. What the fuck? His status message.
Your private messaging?
No. His status message. It's call me mommy. On the first mates, and he has like a weird status message or whatever.
Ah. Hey, yo, Sebastian, have you banned anybody since you became first mate?
No.
I'm curious. You haven't? If I ever go down, if I ever get banned for, I don't know, trolling apparently, I want you to be the one that bans me. I want to die with honor, okay?
Okay, we'll send you also flowers if you want.
No, I'm good, I'm good.
And the idea is not to ban, it's the idea to teach people to come back to the real, let's say, way of discussing.
Let's try to change them. If they're not changeable, then ban. Can you ban Trademax fast, please?
No, not yet, but I should tell him that, hey, come on. Go to the Hold my beer.
Yeah, send him over there. Showing your
you.
power. Also you. It's actually trading related. It's not Hold my beer, to be honest. We're talking about account size.
I don't think you can be banned.
Sure you can. Ask Ryazaki. Oh, snap!
No, because you're boosting. I think Swing can only ban you, or TechX.
Ah, yes, yes.
No, but he doesn't boost.
Oh, dude, I give $10 to the server every fucking month.
Yeah, he's boosting. Yeah.
Cool.
There's nothing I can do. I can do whatever I want.
Druid, yeah.
Druid.
Yeah, but you have two accounts.
Yeah, one that I thought
we
that, and the other one that.
Oh, you can ban the Druid too.
Yeah, so we can ban the one
Yeah,
that you talk. Okay. I can even make a deal with Swing, for example. I take over your boosting, I just double it and then ban the other one. There you go. It's business.
Corruption at its finest.
Yeah. You're gonna give $20 to get rid of me.
At Civico, you are still in our short trade on SNP from today morning.
Oh, look at Tommy. That's a good, nice member.
I'm still shorting DAX and as well S&P, but I'm not heavy at all. So, and I still think that it will roll over.
What the fuck is he saying? He's saying I wouldn't even trade $100,000. Like, that's a small amount. Crazy.
Swing, no, it's trolling, okay.
If Swing does it, I do it, I don't care.
For me, it's a waste of time, this kind of discussions.
It was actually me who started the discussion. And like I thought it would be over by now.
This dick measuring stuff, which doesn't make any sense.
It is. Definitely. But there is a certain amount you should trade with to be able to make a living.
Depends of every person. Depends of the lifestyle.
Yeah, if I live in Nigeria, I can trade with like $1,000 account and live a life.
See?
Try to live in Switzerland with a $1,000 account XD.
Yeah.
Yeah, you make your daily cheeseburger maybe.
Switzerland.
Yeah, if you make $2 from 1,000, that's 0.2%. There you go, your daily cheeseburger.
In Nigeria,
From McDonald's.
it's dinner in the restaurant.
I'm gonna put him in alcoholics. Because yesterday he claimed that he trades a joint account with his family. Just now he said he's on demo, waiting for $1 million to come around for him.
Ah, we got a bullshitter. That's why I asked him. We should have a role called liar, so when somebody lies all the time, we put him in the liar section. I think it's alcoholic or whatever.
Mate, for $2 you are not getting a cheeseburger in Switzerland. Winky face.
No, actually you're right, it's more than, it's near to 3 euros.
No, it's not. It can't be. In Sweden, it's $1. McDonald's cheeseburger is $1. It can't be 2 in Switzerland.
It's double in yes, it is. I remember because just because everything is more expensive there. So
but it's still in Europe and it's still McDonald's. I mean, it's not Holy Cows.
Doesn't matter. It's yes, it's near to 3 or up 3 euros, and in Germany it's 1.5
What
euros.
the fuck? I need to that shit. That's fucking crazy.
This is what I'm doing now. But the guy is right.
Aussie yen.
That can't be true at all.
So Zurich cheeseburger McDonald's. Let's see.
Wow. That's actually true.
You find it?
A normal cheeseburger royal
Yeah.
here is around $7.
Wow, Switzerland is a terrible country. What a bad country, Switzerland.
Yeah, but wait 1 second, because you do have other taxes there. But the
XD.
You have higher salaries, however, also higher prices on accommodation or whatnot.
But you can't drive there.
Where? In Switzerland?
Yeah.
People are friendly,
Aussie
they are
yen.
respectful. No problem.
In Switzerland, yeah.
Average salary is around 4.2k.
Yeah, same with the dick measuring. It doesn't really matter what your average salary is. That doesn't make the country better. It's about what you can do with that money.
Indeed. And the
Yeah.
problem is
Apparently, you can't eat McDonald's.
Yeah, accommodation you pay like 40% out of your salary, even 50% sometimes. So it's so expensive there. And the same size like in, I don't know, Berlin, for example.
I don't know, man. I don't like Switzerland.
Around 30 to 40% yes.
It's expensive.
Yeah.
But there are other advantages. Now I'm hungry. I was looking to McDonald's stuff. Damn it.
Yeah, same.
I don't like McDonald's, so...
Can you order McDonald's at your place? Delivery. Do you have that?
Yes, they after they put the COVID shit in near Munich area, starting from March, the McDonald's restaurants, they made a kind of home delivery system.
We have that around here since forever.
Yeah, here not. But McDonald's, to be honest, nobody's ordering because there are better places to order and kind of in the same price area range, a bit more expensive, but not much.
Cheese deluxe with fries and 6 chicken McNuggets and
Here
a Coke.
you can only order it trough Uber
$6,
Eats.
including delivery.
That's good price. That's a good price right there.
Yeah, let me brag a little bit. Yesterday I ordered 2 pizza, 42 euros.
Okay, that's fucking crazy.
Yeah, but it's a really... 42 euros. 2 pizza.
Do they have a TV as top up or something like that?
Do you get LCD 40K?
It's just that a higher end restaurant, that's it. But I don't do that very often.
Was the pizza actually worth the price? Be honest now. Right? Be honest.
Yeah, it does. I like it.
So when you ate it, you knew it was a 20 euro pizza.
Yeah. To be fair, yeah, so the pizza itself was actually 14 bucks, itself, but then I added so many toppings on top that actually turned about 20-ish euro, the same pizza. And my wife did the same.
Okay, yeah.
It's on top, with the toppings on top. And they deliver a choice of beverage, can be a beer or cola or something for free-ish. Of course, it's already calculated in the margin, but...
Oh yeah, yeah.
But no, I also see it waste of money and whatever.
Yeah, Daniel. I can also only order McDonald's from Uber Eats.
Gonna take lunch, see you later at us pre-market.
Yeah, I'm gonna make something to eat. I'm back in a sec.
Yeah, everybody got hungry after pizza talk.
Yeah.
Gonna make this a short day. My cats want some food and my daughter too. And I'm gonna be back in a little bit trading synthetics. Have a good one, everybody, and talk to you guys tomorrow in the Asia session. Sorry, that's the wrong stats. I just flipped it off. Only 0.23 today. 0.24.